Watch your step!
You can't outrun me, cat! I'll catch you yet!
Oh, look at that glaze. Can't wait.
Smells like heaven.
Crunchy on the outside, juicy in the middle. Perfect.
Charred just right. You've outdone yourself, little chef.
And you brought the fire? Literally.
The good food and good...
You call this waiting good? I call it worth it.